Here are core exercises that I love doing with my clients when they ask for, Mike, can we do some core using stick mobility? So all of these are gonna be on our back. We lay down, and I like to start off with just putting them into tabletop. So here they're in tabletop, and I just ask to press the stick against your knees. You start pressing the stick, something light, 10 seconds. We have our lower back touching the mat. You should already feel some engagement in your core. I ask, do you feel that engagement? Yes, great, we let go. So now I say, are you ready? And they say, yes, Mike, here we go. So here we go, and you guys can follow along with me. You're on your back, we take the stick, and we press into our knees now for 10 seconds, 60%. Core is activated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We stay there. Now keeping that pressure, you're gonna extend your left leg and you're gonna drive that leg up and down. And we do 8 of these, 2. So I'm keeping my leg straight if I can, right? And I'm also keeping my right leg at 90 degrees. This is 5. And if you're struggling to bend your knee, keep your leg straight, you can have it like that. 6, but you're still pressing. 7, into your right leg as your left leg raises. 8, we're still pressing. Now we switch legs. It's starting to get juicy. We extend our right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I'm keeping my left leg at 90 degrees. 7 and 8, and here, rest. They're like, okay. And sometimes I'll go for another set, a third set. Very rarely I do more than 3, and I usually keep it at 2. So now the next one that we do is left leg is in 90 degrees, and I have them place the stick on their right toe. So here they extend that right leg, right? And I have them drive that right leg up and back. And we do 6 of those. 2, 3, and you're pressing the stick into your right foot. 4. If you want to relax your head, you can. 5. Having your head be up will just give a little bit more activation. 6. And now I ask to just switch the position of the legs, not the stick. So now the right knee comes in, left leg comes out, and now I go with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, while I'm pressing into the right leg, right? And you decide. 5, 6, and bring it in. You can give yourself a little rest, right? So here, you're accountable for yourself. You could press it into your like 50%, 70%, 90%, right? Something that, if today's a recovery day, maybe you're doing light movement, 40%, but if today's one of those push days, go for that 70, 80%. So here, and we'll switch it up. You can also have your right leg be extended first, and we go up and down. 1, 2, going for 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now switch, still pressing. 1, 2. This is usually when the shakes start to happen. 3. I'm shaking 2, 4, 5, 6, and rest. And the reason why I'm keeping it at that 6 is because we're doing 12 total, right? 2 sides. And I like to keep it in the 10 to 20 range, especially if it's too easy, just add more pressure. You can always add more. The stick is going to be a stick. Next one, after that, we do sort of like a hollow hold where you're going side to side.
So I have them extend their legs, and we roll to the right, lift that left shoulder to the ground, and roll to the left. 1. And we do 4 of these each way. 2. 3. And 4. Good. Again, so that's like 8 total. Maybe you go for 5, but 2 sets. And this will last a good 5-10 minutes of work right here. So now I press it into my left foot, extend that left foot, and same thing. I rock to the right and left, trying to keep my feet square with my shoulders. 2, 3, and 4. Whew. Let that core rest. And this is how I finish it off. So I have them do hugs, hug and extend. So we hug and then extend. And I say we're gonna do 5, and then I'll give 5 with some juice. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and now here comes the juice, right? Can you have your feet go underneath the stick without touching? If you need to widen up the grip, good, just don't let go. So I let my feet go in. Oh, I gotta fix that. Feet go underneath, they touched, and extend, and now underneath, and now 1. 2. I got some work to do. I'm not blaming it on the sneakers, because I'm obviously touching. 3. Maybe I wanted my hands. 4. 1 more. And 5. Whew. That right there is your core challenge with stick mobility. Let me know how it goes. If you're asking about a move, asking where you should engage, feel it, or if you're unsure about a move, or if there's another body part that you want to train, stick mobility can do so much. You let me know. I'm here as always. Have a great day.